In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your picture on the Zoho People app. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can update your profile photo quickly and confidently. This is really useful if you're new to Zoho People or if your company has just started using it and you want your account to look professional and up to date. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho People. Once you're in, look for the home icon in your menu. This is usually at the top or side of your screen, depending on how your layout is set up. Go ahead and click on Home. This takes you to your main dashboard where you'll see your widgets, announcements, and other work-related information. From there, you'll want to move into the section where your personal information lives. In the menu, navigate to My Space and then choose Overview. My Space is essentially your personal hub inside Zoho People, and the Overview page is where you can see your profile details at a glance. On this overview page, you should see your current profile picture, or if you haven't set one yet, you might just see your initials or a default avatar. Move your mouse over that picture area. When you hover over it, a small camera or edit icon should appear. This icon is Zoho's way of telling you that this image can be changed. Click on that camera or edit icon. A small menu or pop-up will appear with options like Upload New or Change Photo. The exact wording can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. You're about to choose a new picture to represent your profile. Once you select that option, a file browser window will open on your computer. Take a moment here to pick a clear, professional-looking photo. Ideally, choose an image where your face is centered, well-lit, and not too busy in the background, since this will be used in company directories and internal communications. After you select the image, Zoho People will usually give you a chance to crop it. Adjust the crop box so your face is framed nicely. When you're happy with how it looks, confirm the crop. Finally, click Done or Upload to save the picture. Wait a moment for it to process, and your new profile photo should appear right away on your overview page. That's all there is to it.